We're at the pond. See if we can get some topwater action going. It's like 60 degrees, cloudy conditions. There's a possible chance of rain. So let's see if we could get the bite going. Oh, I'm calling this. This is gonna get big for sure. Check this out. Got him. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one. That's a good one. Got a good one. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's why it feels like a good one. Foul hooked him. Sorry, bud. But you're still a good one, though. I'll get you loose. Hold on. There we go. That's a good one, though. Look at that. The belly. I'm guessing like a 2.5. I'd say it's 2.5 pounds. Just get a weight on it. And zero out. Oh, 3 pounder. 2.9 pounds. There we go. 2.8 pounds. Almost 3 pounds. Nice one. That's a good one. Let's get him back in the water. Ready, buddy? Ooh, look at that walking action. Come on. How did it not get bit? I'm calling this one. This one should get the job done. There we go. There we go. There we go. That was a smaller one. It still counts. A little small one, but it's another. There it goes. Let's see if we can catch any down here. I feel like there might be another bass down here. Got him. There we go. There we go. 4th one of the day. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Oh. Ooh. Almost hooked myself. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. Let me get a good look at you. Ow. This one has a sharp mouth. That's a good one too. Check it out. Let's get it back in the water. Thank you for biting, buddy. There it goes. Told ya. Oh, it came off. Damn it. See, there's another one down there.